Get in it. Get in it.
Only if I can.
Lay it down on the ground and get in it.
You're going to push it up.
I will.
That's Thomas do it. Not Dusty.
So, who cares? Go push him
Want
up.
me to hold your phone?
Go push him up. Richard is literally getting in the garbage can. It shows how nasty he is.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah. No. Hey, 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 hey. Roll him down. Roll him down the...
Don't worry. I'm moving you up. Don't worry.
He'll fall in the ditch.
He'll be protected by the garbage can, though.
You hear me? He's like, Thomas, they're down a tree. No. Now pull it back up.